Hello everyone, I'm your own teacher with a twist. As we all know that our country is bleeding from the pandemic. So there is no point to sit idly and say that what we can do. Definitely every one of us can contribute. And this video is an initiative of my contribution towards the society, towards humanity. I have thought of starting two batches. One batch is for those who can't pay for their classes. So that batch is going to study free of cost. For that, you just need to fill up a form, a Google form I have given up here. Just need to fill up your few details and I will send you a Zoom link and I will teach you on a regular basis. One batch is for those who think that they can pay, they're not financially backed up. But for those who want to contribute, whatever amount you're going to pay for the classes, that will directly go to an NGO who is contributing for feeding up the poor people. How thrilled, how exciting is it? With education, you are getting a chance to contribute. इससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है? बस आपको एक काम करना है. I think ये तो हम सब कुछ हर कोई कर सकता है. You just need to share this video as much as you can. क्योंकि क्या पता आपका एक शेयर किसको अच्छा education provide कर दे. As you all know, economics is one of the demanding subject, and the teachers of economics are very costly. I am Rashi Sharma, aka Sehat Sahib. I have over 5 years of experience in teaching. I have qualified my UGC net. That means I can teach easily till graduation level. Currently, I am teaching 11th, 12th standard. And I have experience of teaching well to 11th and 12th class. So all those who want to become a part of my contribution, my initiative towards this, even if you can pay, even if you cannot pay, you can contribute it either by sharing this video, either by joining the class as the paid one, and either by joining the class as the unpaid one. Up to you, you just need to fill up a form. Or either you need to DM me on Instagram, on WhatsApp, or on Facebook. So be a part of my initiative. Thank you so much for watching this video and sharing this video.